outfit. It's not cute. My bracelet. Hey besties, it's your girl Isthatfeyikemi, and I'm gonna be honest with you, we're not even gonna waste time with an intro. We're just gonna get right into it. Everyone literally asks me how I do my makeup all the time, so I'm gonna show you guys. I have everything laid out here, and we're just gonna get started. I've already started with my primer. I use the Power Grip Elf primer, and we're just gonna go straight into the look. And I promise you, it's not gonna be as complex as it looks. I know it'll be looking good if you give me Stunner Girl, but it's really not that hard of a routine to follow. So I'm starting off with my concealer. I don't do foundation for the most part for these looks, and this is literally what I wear every day. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm also gonna have all the products just linked in the description for you guys with the shade colors and everything like that, so you don't even have to ask. I like got you. Under my nose, on my chin. My lips are so dry, oh my gosh. On my forehead. I'm gonna go down to my nose. I just realized I did not put on brow gel. Let me do that real quick because I forgot. So let's go into this. I'm not gonna lie, I tint my eyebrows and I do like wax them and shape them up, so it makes my routine a little bit less maintenance, and I can literally just slap brow gel in it and call it a day. And that's the tea under my eyebrows. Which, by the way, because I do a lot of this stuff by myself, like all my maintenance stuff by myself, so if you guys want to see like my full maintenance routine and like how I DIY everything, let me know, because your girl is all about saving money and putting the girls on, okay? I'm for the people. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna put more concealer on my face. Just a little bit more. Right here, because it's a little dry. My lips are so dry. I will say, if you don't follow anything in this tutorial today, please make sure that you at least copy one of these, okay? These bad boys. This is my concealer brush. It's the Morphe M173. I literally live, breathe, and die for this brush. It's gonna have you looking snatched. It's gonna have you looking matte, even if your makeup is dewy. It's just gonna do her thing every single time. So I use this to blend my concealer, and I always get compliments like, your concealer looks so good. It looks so matte. It looks so da-da-da. And I literally tell people, like, it does not matter the product. Like, obviously it matters like placement and how you're putting it on, but this brush, this is the secret ingredient. Oh, it looks like a lot. I hope it doesn't look scary for y'all. If it does, don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. It's gonna get better. This is not the final look, okay? Not too much now. Trust the process. Yeah, I probably yeah, it's looking a little scary, I know, but we're gonna fix it. I promise. Not too much on your girl now, okay? Y'all, I'm gonna fix it. I hope this is not how I go around looking and everyone's just lying to me about my makeup tutorial. Now I gassed myself up so bad I made this video and everybody looking at this video like, you know? No, because I'm really looking at the camera and I look insane. Like why would y'all lie? I'm going to work after this anyways. I'll be in the dark for the most part, so no one's gonna be able to tell unless they station me somewhere that's got lighting. Then we're done for, and this is the last video you guys will ever see on my channel. Okay. So I know I hopped off camera and y'all are probably like, this girl hopped off camera during a makeup tutorial and she's trying to scam us. I swear, just because I'm a Nigerian doesn't mean I'm a scammer. Okay, calm down. I just went in with a wet beauty blender and I just blended literally the edges. Avoid like the creasing near your eyes. Avoid your whole under eye. Just kind of go around it and soften the edges so it doesn't look as harsh. Because one thing about a beauty blender, it's going to suck up that excess makeup. This is a new step, I will say, I added to my routine, but it has made it significantly better. This is the liquid blush from e.l.f. as well. I'm just going to put this right on my cheeks. And be a cute girl, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, I don't do my makeup at this table because I be messing up, as you can tell. I normally do it in the bathroom. It just looks better in the bathroom. I don't know what it is about the bathroom lighting, but she always eats down. But I'm doing it for you guys, okay? So again, not too much if it comes out looking a little gray. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, next step is going to be like my bronzer. I don't really contour because I don't know how to. I'm gonna be so honest with you. So I go in my bronzer. I use both colors, mix, swirl, swirl, tap. Oh, I'll also, what's it called, put down the name of the tools or the brushes, that I use in the link for, and then in the description for you guys as well if you want to see them. But I'm telling you, the main brush is that Morphe one. I don't play about her. Okay, I'll go to war for that girl. Okay. I feel like I'm forgetting a step. Oh, I'm not. I'm just quite literally overwhelmed because you guys, I've tried to film this video for you guys maybe like 20-30 times and all types of crazy stuff happens. My phone dies, battery dies. Oh, I said my phone dies. Battery dies, storage is full, natural disaster, famine, you know, just the typical things. So this is the first time I'm filming it and it's actually going pretty well. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my setting baking powder. Yeah, let's do that. I have a little powder puff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a fan of baking powder because I feel like it's everywhere and it's disgusting, but it's part of the look and it makes, oh, I almost dropped it. Okay, and it makes your face look matte and beautiful, and I'm a very oily girl, I can't lie, and it's really around like my T-zone. I'm a very oily girl. And like I said, I don't know how to contour, so I literally put, you guys saw I put the concealer right here and then on the sides, so I make like a faux contour, if that makes sense. So if you know how to contour girl, you know, do your big one. But me personally, I can't, so I don't do that. I just realized I'm making mad faces and y'all are gonna watch this. Don't screenshot anything, otherwise I'm never putting you guys on to anything ever again. If I see a screen grab on the internet and it's my face and it's looking like, y'all are all going to jail. I'm suing for defamation of character. I'm suing for harassment, everything. Okay, know that. Also, you guys, I got like new lights. What do you think? Is it cute? Is it giving? I just pat until there's no more powder left. And I look like a glazed, not even like glazed donut. I look like a stale donut because I look a dry. But I like that because I'm an oily girl. I'm gonna go in with this brush. I got it from Target. I forgot what the brand is. I almost scratched my face, imagine. But yeah, I just dust off anything extra. I didn't even, we'll use the leftovers. Okay, I don't bake because it will make my skin too dry and I'll start cracking in the middle of work. And now we're gonna go in with my blush, which I thought I pulled out. I'm gonna go in with my blush. I use both colors as well, so teeter tot, and then into the cheeks, into it, and then a little fluffed. I'm gonna do the tip of my nose, even though I'm not really a highlight girly, but sometimes we have to do things we don't like. And then my eyes, and then my other eye. Then last but not least, we're going to do mascara. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, if you're not priming your eyelashes before you get in, you're not even trying to make it look like you have long eyelashes for real, because the primer is gonna take you far in life. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna, oh, you guys, I've been ashy this whole tutorial. Let me get my lotion. Stop playing with me. Look at her. I kind of like the white eyelash look. What do I want to be for Halloween now? Okay. Okay, the little bottom lash. Delicious. Delicioso. Okay, como se dice? She looked good. Okay, we're not gonna go in finally with my. That was embarrassing. I'm gonna go, y'all. I need to stop making faces. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Spray. Let me just tell you, I wore this when I went go-karting and they put the helmet on my face and all of this stuff. My makeup stayed intact. I put on VR goggles. Face was sweating because I was running around, you know, running for my life, literally. Put this on, makeup snatch stayed in place. So I would invest in her. Okay, she's a great investment. Ugh. Now I'm gonna go in with another setting spray. I don't know if it really helps the routine or if it makes it any better, but I'm just trying to get rid of it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've had it for ages and I don't really use it unless I'm doing my makeup, so I just double my setting spray. So yeah. So we're gonna go in with some lip gloss, some clear lip gloss. Is she giving? Is it giving? No, I can see. I didn't get her in the Cupid's bow for real. Delicious. I don't know. I don't know. I'm looking behind y'all because the mirror is behind y'all. I just love the way this brush moves along my Cupid's bow. Be given. But do I look good, y'all? Don't make me nervous. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very informative and educational. Maybe a little funny. I feel like I'm a funny girl. But yes, all the products will be linked in the description below, as well as the shades and the brushes that I used. Again, if you're gonna get anything from the tutorial, please let it be the M173 Morphe Concealer Brush. I'm not playing with you. That brush will literally change your life. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I love you to the moon and back, bestie. Bye.